Hi folks, here we have the Spirit of 32 modern version. This 70 has not been run before. I just put air to it a minute ago actually. So it's a brand new build, not broke in yet, and features a 70 turned 90 degrees on a 2575 Jensen base. And obviously the base has been laminated over with a flag motif. It says Spirit of 1932 in the middle, and we'll look at that. There's a whole lot of modifications done on this. Let's take a little bit closer look. Okay, start off, we got a Jensen 20 style chimney mounted on a lug. I'm going to turn down just for this engine. And we have an aluminum American flag put in place. And we have the flag motif wrapped base. It's vinyl wrapped with a protective layer, clear layer on top of it, done by Sign Masters here in St. Paul. Got a couple of Teflon gaskets in the boiler. And we have a Jensen metal plate right there. Mounted to the firebox. We have roller ball bearings, 2 of them installed in this Jensen 70. And we have 2 5-tiered pulleys. It's a matching set. One belt runs up and down all the ratios. And we have replaced the 3-inch axle with a 4-inch axle, and has 2 sets of 5-tiered pulleys. And we have an on and off switch right there for the generator. And she is the Spirit of 1932, the year Jensen started business. I'm going to crank the pressure up a little bit. This one takes about 6 pounds to run right now because it's not broken. Alright. Let's turn that light on. Alright. Once she gets broken, she'll run exceedingly smooth. But the Sign Masters did a wonderful job wrapping that metal pan plate. Shame to have to cover it up with a steam engine. Brand new build, brand new engine, generator, everything. Thanks for looking, folks. Hope you enjoyed it.